All right, now we're going to graph using the information that we're given. So slope-intercept form. When graphing lines in the form y equals mx plus b, so like the equation is given to you like this, b tells you where to begin on the y-axis, and m tells you how to move. So if we look at this first problem here, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and write what the slope is. The slope is 3/2, right? I've got 3/2. And my y-intercept, which is this guy right here, my y-intercept is going to be at 0, 3. Right? Should be review. So we're at 3. My slope is up 3 to the right 2. So we're going to go up 2, 3 to the right 2. And that's going to go ahead and be my line. Arrows on both ends. Okay. Next one, I want you to try. So pause and I'll write the answer. There you go. Okay. All right. Let's take a look here. Ooh, standard form. This is actually kind of my favorite. All right, when graphing lines in standard form, we're going to find the x and the y-intercepts and then just connect the points, okay? Because you only need 2 points to draw a line. So I've got the equation. First thing I need to do is find the x-intercept, right? So x minus 3y is equal to 3 when y equals 0, right? So my x-intercept is when y is 0. So I have x minus 3 times 0. I just replace y with 0. Oh, so x is 3. All right, so my x-intercept is right there. Now, this one, my y-intercept is when x is 0. So the original equation was this. We're going to replace x with 0. Divide by -3. And I get y is equal to -1. So I go to -1 on the y-axis, right? And we go ahead and connect those points, and we've got a fine graph. Okay. All right, you try the next one, pause now, and then check your answers against mine. All right, there you go. X-intercept is at 1, the y-intercept is at 2, connect the dots, and you have a good graph.